FYI, remove Windows March 10th updates of 201 to fix APC_index_mismatch BSOD when printing. See more info APC_index_mismatch at https://docs.microsoft.com/n-us/windows/release-health/status-windows-10-20-20H2 number sign 1570 message desk. Check your Windows and see if you have the following items installed: KB5000802, Windows 10 2004/20H2 and Windows Server 2004/20H2. KB5000808, Windows 10 1909 and Windows Server 1909. KB5000822, Windows 10 1809 and Windows Server 2019. KB5000809, Windows 10 1803 and Windows Server 1803. If so, remove the above mentioned patches. For advanced users, try this command line: muses/uninstall/KB5000802.